That's enough. Just pull back. Don't, your left hand looks like it has a grip on it. Just light pressure. Yep, there you go.
All the way to the end
And then stop. Twist to the right. Go forward, but a little bit of an angle to your right, so you don't go in the exact same track. You want to half-ass overlap it by half or a third. Or left. It's fine too. That either or is fine. You just don't want to go in the same track each pass. Now pull back and go left or right again. And take a big step to your right and pull it back that way. Yep.